Thank you for being here. Welcome to episode 4 of this ongoing 10-part series on fruits. In this episode, we enter the world of pineapples. During our journey, we will talk about the history, impact on your health, variety, cooking with pineapples, and finally, how to grow them at home. So, without further delay, let's dive in. Pineapples have a captivating history that began over 3,000 years in the lush tropical regions of South America. Originally cultivated by indigenous people, they were used for food, medicine, alcohol, and fiber. The Tupi people from the Amazon rainforest were among the first people to use pineapples in their daily lives and called them nanas, meaning excellent fruit. They eventually made their way to Europe around the 16th century. Pineapples became symbols of hospitality and luxury and were carved into furniture. The pineapple made its way to the Caribbean but didn't reach the shores of the United States until around the 18th century. Pineapples come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and flavors. You are probably familiar with the common smooth cayenne pineapple. Known for its juicy, golden flesh, it is the most common variety found in supermarkets and grocery stores. They have smooth leaves, large fruits, and high sugar and acidic content. Other exotic varieties like the Queen Victoria pineapple has the short, spiky leaves, small and round. It is sweeter and more palatable than the other varieties. Abacaxi is a popular variety and has a white or pale yellow flesh that is sweet and very fragrant. It is mostly found in Brazil, disease-resistant but doesn't handle commercialization very well. Costa Rica, Indonesia, and the Philippines are the top world producers of pineapples. The most abundant nutrient in pineapple as it relates to our recommended daily intake are vitamin C, manganese, copper, and antioxidants, making it a nutritionally packed fruit. It has 86% water content. Let's take a cup of pineapples. It has 82 calories, about 79 milligrams of vitamin C, which is approximately 89% of our recommended daily intake. Vitamin C is crucial for immune function and skin health. About 1.5 milligrams of manganese, accounting for around 76% of our recommended daily intake. Manganese supports bone health, blood clotting, and acts as a cofactor for various enzymes. Around 0.2 milligrams of vitamin B6, providing approximately 10% of the recommended daily intake for brain development and metabolism for macronutrients. Another important aspect of pineapple is bromelain. It is a mixture of enzymes found in pineapples, particularly in the stem and the core of the fruit. It is a combination of proteolytic enzymes, which means it has the ability to break down and digest proteins. While the exact amount can vary, about 12 milligrams of bromelain may be found in 1 cup of fresh pineapple. Bromelain is an enzyme associated with anti-inflammatory properties that may help with arthritis. It breaks down proteins, aids in digestive health, and has wound healing properties. Bromelain in pineapple also causes that tingling on your tongue and cheeks as they break down proteins in your mouth. To avoid this, you may rub salt on the pineapple or cook the pineapples to lessen this effect. While there is no official recommended daily intake of bromelain, it is generally recognized as safe when consumed as part of a normal diet. Bromelain supplements, on the other hand, can provide a more concentrated form of the enzyme, and if taken in large amounts, they can cause side effects or interact with certain medications. It is advisable to consult with your healthcare professionals before taking bromelain supplements, especially for individuals with pre-existing health conditions or those taking medications. Some studies show that bromelain may inhibit the ability of colorectal cancer to be progressive. In addition to these key nutrients, 1 cup of pineapple also contains natural sugars, approximately 16 grams, and a modest calorie count of around 82 calories. Keep in mind that these values are approximate and can vary based on factors like the size and ripeness of the fruit. Incorporating a cup of fresh pineapple in your diet can contribute to meeting your daily nutritional needs in a delicious and refreshing way. So, let's venture into the kitchen and unlock more properties of pineapples. These tropical fruits can elevate a wide range of dishes. Imagine savoring a pineapple salsa, a burst of sweet and tangy flavors, or how about a classic pineapple upside down cake, a timeless dessert that's exciting to make as it is to eat. And for a tropical twist, pineapples can be grilled for a smoky and caramelized treat. Some cultures use the skin to make pineapple drink. They would boil the skin, add mint leaves, cool, and sweeten to taste. Have you ever thought about growing pineapples at home? It can be a rewarding endeavor. Pineapple plants thrive in tropical and subtropical climates and can even grow indoors in pots. For example, choose a pineapple with healthy green leaves. The crown, the leafy top, should be vibrant and intact. Twist or cut off the crown from the top of the pineapple. Ensure that you remove any excess fruit flesh from the base of the crown. Allow the pineapple crown to air dry for a day or two to help prevent rotting. This step is crucial to promote root development. Fill a pot with well-drained potting soil. Plant the pineapple crown in the center, burying it about an inch deep. Water the soil thoroughly. Place the pot in a sunny window well or under glow lights. Pineapple thrive with bright light. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Allow the top of the soil to dry between watering. And pineapple takes about 18 to 24 months to mature and grow between 2.5 to 5 feet tall and about 3 to 4 feet wide. See the amount of vitamins and minerals and their daily percentage value in 1 cup of pineapple. Interesting. Well, here you have it. We've reached the end of our pineapple journey, but here's the exciting part. Your pineapple adventure doesn't have to end here. Grab a slice of pineapple, savor its rich history, health benefits, and tropical flavors, and let the pineapple love continue. As always, please remember to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon for the next installment in this series, and give this video a thumbs up if you found the content informative. I'm grateful that you traveled on this journey through the world of pineapples. Until next time.